collection. I've got to show you these bags. They are super cute, super colourful, and as are the outfits, as you can see. Now I'm so excited to get stuck in, so we're going to begin right now. Okay guys, so Gymshark have also sent me these Power Beats Pros with my delivery, which look awesome. This colour is cute, but they are sweatproof and waterproof, so I'm looking forward to trying these out. Mike is giving me the evils right now, because there's only one pair in this delivery.
Where is my pair of Power Beats Pro?
I'm gonna give you one ear and
not good enough.
One.
Not good enough. I want the whole thing.
Okay, but then I'll have it all for myself. Thank you. Anyways, let's get back to the goods. Now I'm going to take you through, as you can see, everything is behind me, but I'm going to obviously go through what I'm wearing now. So I've got the sports bra, the Soul Lift sports bra, and shorts on in powder, why did I say powder?
Powder.
Powder yellow.
Starburst lemon. Is that flavour? Starburst. Yellow sun. No, it's called powder yellow. Right.
Okay, so we're going to kick off with the sports bra. Now, there are some amazing details on this, and I'm going to start with the back. Let me know when I'm in focus.
Okay, you're not in focus just yet. I'm still an amateur. Let me just... There we go. Is that better? There, you're in focus.
Awesome. Okay, so as you can see the top?
Yep.
Alright, so at the top we have some eyelets for design, which is super cute. And here in the mid-back, going down, is some mesh, which is also nice. And it lets some breeze in. As you know, it's summer, so it's super hot, so it's nice to get that little ventilation. And also just for the design, at the front here, it's like a reverse heartline because it's underneath the bosom instead of on top, which I actually quite like, and it's super cute. Now the sports bra itself is about medium support, so you can jump around, but don't go too crazy. It's not that high intense support, but yeah, it depends on the size of your bosoms and also how it fits you and the comfortability. Alright, so now the shorts. These are awesome and have so many details going into them as well. So we've got the high waistband, which is actually ribbed. Now I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on camera. Let me know if you can see that detail.
Nope, but I think so, maybe.
Okay, so the ribs basically go all the way down, so you see it all the way around here, and then it goes all the way down onto your leg as well. Alright, also other details for the shorts are on the back side.
I was looking very perky, Mrs. Russell.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so as you can see at the top, you've got this peachy shaping here, and I think it's like more contouring, but it's not below. And also you've got this ruche that kind of shapes that peach in the middle as well.
Right, enough. Everyone's seen the
I didn't talk about the side pocket. There's a side pocket as well.
There you go.
Phones. Oh, thanks.
Look at that, proper handy husband. I'm definitely earning those beats.
What's that?
I said I've definitely earned those beats.
You have. Okay guys, alright, so side pocket for your phones, or your debit cards or whatever you like to take out, if you're like me and you don't like carrying a bag around. So that is that, and I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the leggings and some of the other colours that I have. Okay, so Mike, before we get into this next outfit, please rate my previous outfit.
Okay, your previous outfit gets a husband rating of 4 out of 5. The colour is popping, it's bright, I liked it, and your booty looked good.
Awesome. Alright, so now that's done, we can get some into this outfit now. I've got the leggings on and also this tank top, so it's nice, light and breezy. Okay, so we'll start off with the tank top. Again, it has the razor cut eyelets and
so
also
step to your right a little bit.
To the right.
That's it, that's it.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so the laser cut eyelets and also the meshing going all the way down. And the eyelets also come around the armpits as well. So we like that breeze. But it's nice and baggy. Also has this, I don't know what the cut is called. But it's higher at the front and slightly lower at the back, so that's cute as well. Yeah, nice and light. But going on to the leggings, very similar details, but there are some subtle changes. Firstly, the eyelets here on the leggings, which I find super duper cute.
That's it, now I can see you.
Sorry. Alright, so eyelets going up the shin. Ta-da! Also, you've got the ribbed waistband, which is super cute as well. And the rib is not going down the side of the leg like the shorts, so that's a slight difference. It's just a full solid colour. This is actually intense steel blue, but it actually looks kind of purpley, right?
Like a lilac kind of purple. But yeah, still
like
blue.
a lavendery, like a combo.
Right, is it squat proof?
Okay.
Booty is looking fire!
Twat, twat. Ready?
Yep.
Oh wait, do I need to bring this
No,
up?
that's fine. It's squat proof. I can't say anything.
Awesome. Okay. We actually tested the shorts as well, but they are squat proof too. It was quite sheer because of the rib went down the leg for the shorts, and that kind of, I think it was finer material. So just in that area, it wasn't.
Yeah, it's a bit sheer. I could see Viv's hairy legs through the.
I shaved the other day when it comes to that.
I'm kidding. Go on.
Okay, alright, so that's that in Hue. Yeah, we've spoken about this outfit. It also has shorts as well. I want to show you the detail quickly in the booty area because you couldn't really see it as much when I was wearing it, but you can see the ruching down the peach.
Well, when you're not wearing it, it looks like a wedgie. But yes, I guess you guys know what we're talking about.
Okay, yeah. And when you're wearing this material especially, you may want to wear some seamless underwear as well because you will see necklines. And I'm wearing seamless now and it's doing good. It's holding up.
Perfect, I like it.
Alright, so out of 10?
Out of 10 or out of 5? Okay, out of 10. I like it. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. If I was doing it out of 5, I would have given it a 3.5 out of 5. And I say that because it looks quite casual. It's nice. It's somewhere in casual. It's casual.
Tank tops are great for like wearing it to the gym. I tend to not like to work out in tank tops. Like I would wear a sports bra. So if you do want to mix and match, guys.
There you go. You see, you showed me some skin. 5 out of 5. Let's go.
Okay. Cool it. Right. Next up, let us try the blue. I'm just going to show you what this one looks like. And yeah.
What are you wearing the blue with?
I'm going to wear it with the yellow. Oh no.
It could go with pink.
Shall we mix and match that?
But it's looking like bubblegum, Viv. This is good. This is good.
Oh, Cola bottle. Alright, let me bring that too. Got hand. Okay, so guys, I am feeling like a bubblegum Cola bottle right now. I don't know if you've tried them, but they are amazing. So I have combined the bleached coral with the, what was this one called? Spring Blue Pow. Yes. What do you think?
I think it looks good. It looks sweet.
Looks sweet like bubblegum bottle drops. No, they're not drops.
What? Can we
Okay, so yeah, exactly the same detailing, it's just a different colour. But in terms of training, so if I was to train now with shorts and leggings, shorts I would definitely wear more towards body weight workouts. I feel like they're a little bit more movable. The leggings are a little bit more compressed, slightly, not too much more, but great for lifting in colour. Yay!
very, very summery. They're really, really good. Pockets as
Summer
well.
vibes. I can see that Mike is trying to envision himself in these.
I'm definitely not.
You look like you were like daydreaming.
She's got me working 24 hours a day. She hasn't fed me in a long time. Go.
Okay, so I feel like I have to say this. You just ate a bowl of cereal.
They don't know that. Can we please focus on the task at hand?
Alright, so yes, I've just combined these so you can mix and match, or mix and match with any of the sports bras that you like if you just like the leggings. Now there's also some awesome jumpers. Now I know it's summer, but sometimes you get that summer breeze. Here in Dubai, it's called aircon. These look super cute. I had to try this one on when I actually was taking it out of the bag. But yeah, I have to try it on again just because. I was like, Mike, do you think your head will fit through this?
Probably not.
Alright. So Michael, what do you think?
I like it. I like the jumper. It's baggy, it's cute, it's casual, suits you. The combo with the leggings, that specific colour is great.
And how would you rate this outfit?
I would definitely give that a 5 out of 5 because it looks like sweets, the colour combo. But yeah, it's good. I like it a lot. It's cute.
Awesome. I'm getting hot now, guys.
Well, you're getting hot. You barely showed the outfit.
It's a jumper.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's super cute. Yeah, I'll come close to show you guys. Look at this string, nice pink. And also there are flecks of purple and white mixed in with pink there. So it's like a mauve. Did I have a look to see what kind of colour this is? This is the bleached coral mauve hoodie. And I'm loving it.
Okay, better. Very Dubai-esque.
Well, I usually cover up a bit more. But guys, like this video if you enjoyed the haul. Let me know down below which was your favourite outfit and what kind of combo you would actually wear yourself. And again, if you're actually interested in purchasing any of these, it is launching on the 16th of July. And yes, you can use our support link as well to go directly to the site. Peace out, guys.